This video will show you how to cancel check-in for reservation in a group. Hotelogix lets you cancel check-in of a reservation in a group in just a few steps. Let us see how. Note: cancel check-in is possible only before night audit is performed. Right-click the reservation of the group which you wish to cancel check-in. Click Cancel Check-in option in the context menu that opens. An alert appears. Do you wish to unassign the reservation? Click OK to unassign the reservation. The check-in is cancelled, and the color of the reservation status changes to Reserved on front desk. Note: the reservation status color can be customized from Admin Console. Alternatively, you may also right-click the group reservation for which you wish to cancel check-in. Click View Details from the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. At the bottom of the page, click on the room you wish to cancel check-in. This will open the single reservation screen. At the bottom, select the Cancel Check-in option. An alert will pop up. Do you wish to cancel check-in? Click OK. Click Save to save changes made. The check-in is cancelled, and the color of the reservation status changes to Reserved on front desk. This brings us to the end of the video on how to cancel check-in for reservation in a group.